Hi, I'm Rochelle from Oh She Did, and I want to invite you to a workshop that I'm doing on the 27th of March at 11 a.m. And this workshop is all about AI, an introduction to AI and what is AI and how that AI can help you in your business. And if you're not sure, AI is artificial intelligence. So we can't hide anymore, and if you don't want to be involved, that's fine. But unfortunately, AI is now here. And as a business owner, you need to be aware of what it can do and utilize it in your business, or you may be left behind. So I'd love you to join me at 11 a.m. Australian Western Standard Time. Pop onto my Facebook at Oh She Did, and you'll see the event and you can join live. Bye-bye.